Welcome to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make lamb chop. Please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon button to never miss the notification from Ricky's. Please like, share and comment. Ingredient for lamb chop: chopped green chili, chopped cilantro, chopped mint, chaat masala, lemon juice, coriander powder, jeera powder, black salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, degi mirch, kitchen king, mustard oil, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, yogurt. For 2 portions, 6 pieces, add 2 spoons of mustard oil, 3 spoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons green chili chopped, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon kitchen king powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon chaat masala, half teaspoon black salt, freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 spoon chopped mint, 2 spoon chopped cilantro, salt to taste. Mix it well and keep it for 30 minutes. After resting for 30 minutes, add 3 spoons of yogurt and mix it well and keep resting for 45 minutes. Heat the non-stick pan. Add 2 spoons of oil. Heat it well. Put the lamb chop. Every 7 to 8 minutes turn it. Cook in slow flame. Do this process 10 to 15 minutes. Cook in slow flame. Turn it out. After that, your lamb chop is ready to serve. Serve with sliced onion, sliced carrot, mint chutney, lemon. Your lamb chop is ready to serve.